On Monday, we built structure. Today we added intelligence. So start with the line tool and drag the tool and follow the steps as shown on the screen. As a company develops smart automation software, so instead of keeping it purely geometric, I introduced connection nodes to reflect AI systems and data interaction, giving the logo more technological meaning. Comment me this is good enough or you have better version. Have a look of small presentation on the screen with colors and mockup. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching.